Discover the RF4 Trinocular Stereo Zoom Microscope, your perfect tool for precision work like PCB soldering or mobile phone repairs. This microscope offers a powerful 7 to 50x continuous zoom range, delivering ultra-clear, distortion-free images. It uses an upgraded 0.5x CTV optical system and a wide-field WF10x/22mm eyepiece to give you a sharp, three-dimensional view of both concave and convex surfaces. Unlike traditional microscopes, the RF4 is designed to protect your vision. Its ergonomic eyepiece prevents light leakage and reduces eye strain, even during long sessions. You can move your eyes freely without losing the image clarity. And with the new electronic eyepiece upgrade, you'll get a clearer and wider field of view, no dark corners, no compromises. Engineered for comfort, clarity, and performance, the RF4 stereo microscope is a must-have tool for professionals and electronics enthusiasts.